And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this men's stretch belt. So essentially, in this little container is a belt for men. I like that packaging. Nothing else in there, as you can see. Now, inside of this nice little bag is the belt. Very nice. So we have the actual buckle here, which, wow, that's pretty interesting. I've never actually put one of these on like this, but seems pretty simple. You're able to just slide your belt through and, you know, X, Y, and Z. But I like that it's not on there. I've never seen that. Oh, it's magnetic. Wow. Okay, now this here is the stretch belt. Now you can see from the fabric that, well, I'll try to show you here. Like if I see how it stretches, you can see the stretch there. So that helps to not be like as tight around your waist and whatnot. So we would of course put this on this end, and then I'd be able to use this as a normal belt. That will essentially do it for this unboxing of this men's stretch belt. So thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.